If you are even thinking about buying a HomePod Mini right now, just don't. You are about to make a massive mistake. We have just received word from the supply chain that the original HomePod Mini is finally disappearing from retailer shelves, and there is a huge reason why. For years, Apple's smallest speaker has been stuck in the past, but today, everything changes. We have the internal leaks, the new silicon details, and the secret colors that Apple has been hiding. This isn't just a spec bump, it is the brain transplant Siri has been waiting for. You are watching Tap Tech, and this is the exclusive first look at the HomePod Mini 2. Let's be honest, the original HomePod Mini was a great device when it launched, but in the current tech landscape, it is starting to feel like a relic. It is slow, the voice recognition can be hit or miss, and the connection drops are enough to make anyone frustrated. But Apple has been playing the long game. Internal code found in the latest software betas has officially confirmed a device codenamed B525. That is the HomePod Mini 2. And the upgrades are way more aggressive than we ever expected. First, we have to talk about the brain of this machine. The current Mini runs on the S5 chip, which is tech from the Apple Watch Series 5. It is ancient. The HomePod Mini 2 is confirmed to skip multiple generations, jumping straight to the S10 processor with a dedicated neural engine. Why does that matter to you? One word: latency. You know that annoying spinning white light while Siri thinks about turning on your lights or playing a song? That is finally going away. With this new chip, Siri is moving to on-device processing. This means your voice commands don't have to travel to an Apple server and back just to function. It is near instant, private, and incredibly snappy. But here is the real kicker that most people are missing. This new chip finally brings full Apple intelligence to the small speaker. We are talking about a version of Siri that actually understands context. If you tell it to play that song you were listening to in the car 10 minutes ago, it will actually know what you mean. This is part of a massive push into a new home ecosystem, making the Mini 2 a localized AI hub rather than just a speaker. Beyond just voice commands, the integration of the A18 class neural engine means the device can handle complex automation logic locally. Imagine a home that anticipates your needs, adjusting lighting and temperature based on your habits without ever needing an internet connection to process the request. This is the foundation of Apple's rumored Home OS. The Mini 2 is essentially the Trojan horse that gets this high-level AI into every room of your house for a fraction of the cost of a pro-level device. Now, let's look at the design because Apple is finally shaking things up. While the classic spherical shape is staying because it looks great on any surface, the materials are getting a significant overhaul. We are hearing reports of a new seamless mesh that is much more resistant to dust and staining. But the colors are where the real hype is. Alongside the classic midnight and white, Apple is testing a bold deep crimson and a space black that actually matches the pro-level MacBooks. There is even a sunrise orange that looks incredible under modern desk lighting. But wait until you hear about the wireless upgrade. This is a game changer for anyone with a modern iPhone. The HomePod Mini 2 is ditching the old U1 chip for the second generation U2 Ultra Wideband chip. This makes the Handoff feature flawless. Currently, you often have to tap your phone against the speaker multiple times to transfer music. With the new chip, the range is tripled. The speaker will sense you walking into the room and can automatically suggest a playlist on your iPhone lock screen before you even get close. For the audiophiles, I know what you are thinking. It is a tiny speaker, so how good can it really be? Well, the leaks suggest Apple is borrowing hardware tech from the full-sized HomePod. We are looking at a new high excursion driver and an updated acoustic waveguide. It won't replace a dedicated home theater system, but the computational audio is being tuned to analyze the room 100 times per second. This means the speaker will actually adjust its bass and treble based on whether it is sitting on a wooden desk, a bookshelf, or a granite countertop. The audio improvements also extend to stereo pairing. Apple is rumored to be working on a spatial pair feature that allows two HomePod Mini 2s to create a much wider soundstage than the previous generation. By using the U2 chip to calculate the exact distance between the two speakers, they can phase shift the audio to create a virtual center channel. This makes them a legitimate alternative to mid-range soundbars for smaller TV setups or bedroom gaming rigs. Connectivity is also getting a massive future-proof buff. We are talking Wi-Fi 6E support. In a world where our homes are cluttered with dozens of smart devices, the 6 GHz band means the HomePod Mini 2 won't be fighting for bandwidth with your neighbor's router or your own smart TV. This is critical for the new adaptive temperature features, which allow the Mini 2 to act as a precision controller for your smart home, saving you money on energy bills by using its built-in humidity and thermal sensors more accurately than ever before. Now, I have to tell you about the secret feature that leaked just recently. This is the one thing that makes the HomePod Mini 2 a must-buy for anyone in the Apple ecosystem. It is designed to be the audio node for your home security. If your cameras detect a stranger or something unusual, the HomePod Mini 2 can use its internal microphones to listen for the sound of breaking glass or smoke alarms and immediately broadcast a high-decibel alert while notifying your iPhone. It is no longer just a speaker, it is a vital part of your home security system. So, when can you get your hands on it, and how much will it cost? Here is the best news. Despite all these upgrades, the new chip, the better wireless, and the AI capabilities, Apple is reportedly sticking to the $99 sweet spot. This is the price point that makes it an easy choice for anyone looking to expand their smart home. As for the release date, all signs point to a launch in the first half of 2026, likely around March or April. Production is already ramping up, and with the current model being phased out at major retailers, the launch is imminent. The HomePod Mini 2 is the upgrade we have been waiting for. It solves every single complaint we had about the original while adding features we didn't even know we needed. But I want to hear from you. Is a smarter Siri enough to make you upgrade, or are you waiting for the rumored model with a screen? The competition is getting fierce, but Apple's integration is hard to beat. Thank you for tuning in to Tap Tech. We stay on top of these leaks so you don't have to. If you found this deep dive helpful, make sure to show your support so we can keep bringing you these exclusive updates. The world of smart home tech is moving fast, and the HomePod Mini 2 is about to set a new standard for what a small speaker can do. Keep an eye on the store shelves because the next generation of audio is almost here. I will see you in the next one.